Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome to M.Shakir. We are in continuous series of our Adobe Form layout designing video 3. We have done some work in our master pages and our body pages, and we have understand what are master pages and what are the body pages, what are the impact of designing master page to all the body pages in my previous videos. And in this video we will understand what are the subform and what are the sections of Adobe Form, and what properties which we will maintain to cater and to develop a smart Adobe Form. And we will understand how to manage the master data as well as the detailed data. So let's begin. First of all, as you know, we have created the master page with the title of sale order information. Let's correct it. Sale order information. And we also inserted an image where you can use your logo. I insert my image of a file. So the both objects are lying directly on the master page, and as you know, the both object will be automatically shown in every body page. Whatever the number of body pages will be created, all the things which are present in the master page will be automatically inserted or will be automatically displayed in the body pages. So now let's first design our master page first. First of all, I made something clear that for every section for in a smart form we create a separate window and the separate palette layout palette for each section. But in Adobe Form we have to create a subform for each section. As you know, in under the master page or under the body page, we will have to create a subform which will cater all the object into it. So let's begin with the master page. So just right click on the master page. We have option insert subform, so click on insert subform and just increase its width and made it visible as per requirement. And let's we move the both the object title and the logo into it. So I just drag into our subform and the other object also. Here it is. So the document title and the logo has been moved into the subform, and we move the total subform at the particular space. So let's rename the document head as a document header. And now we have to make on the header data for our sale order. So let's we have already two body pages. So we just right click on the body page and click on the insert subform, and now move at the particular area where we want to print our data, master data of the document. So let's rename it master order master. First of all, we have to just insert a text field for our sale order number. So we have created a subform named order master. Now go to the menu insert and then standard, and then click on the text uh, text object, and now write here the header detail. Header detail. And now we want to print sale order number. So again, go to the insert menu and then standard, and then click on the text field. Here it is. So if we want to print our sale order number here in the middle of the screen, sale order number. So the value which will be print in the label of sale order number will be adjusted by using the binding properties of this object. So if we want to see the object menu, we will go to the palettes and go to the workforce and then reset palette location. So then every important palettes will be automatically shown. Here it is. So now we have object library, and also we have the object window. So the best practice for what every developer followed is to move this window of object library to the upper side of the window, so then we can easily use, or we can easily change the value of any object. So as you know, we have selected the page. Now it is showing the properties of this object, that is page 1. Its name is page 1. Whenever we select the document head, now it's showing the property of object subform document head. And if we select on the text field, it will show the property of the text object. And if we select the text field object, that is SO number, so we have to bind it with the sale order number value, database value. Let's go to the binding, and here we have all the option, all the value, all the internal table or all the global variables easily available in the list of binding. So here we select data and we select the VBELN, which is the sale order number. Just click on the OK. Here it is. Now the sale order number has been binded, and it will get the value of sale order number automatically. Now our next target is to make the another subform which will have we can also cater all the remaining header detail in the same section, but we can also create other subform for clearly mentioning that it is a separate section or the separate thing. Let's click on the page and then click on the search subform. It will bring the another subform. Let's move the according to the size of the page. Now here I want to show the only the three field of sale order number. Like I want to know the sale order date, I want to print it the customer number or the sale order date, customer number, and something and any other field which is very visible to us. So let's rename it order master 2, and now right click on the subform and now click select the subform and go to the insert, standard, and then text field. Here it is. Let's rename the label with the sale order date. Let's increase you can also increase its size according to the requirement, like this. Says document, or we can also rename it as sale order number. Now we also have to bind it to the particular to the sale order date. Now move on to the data of LBAK, and ERDAT is a sale order date. AUDAT is a sale order date, and BUDAT is its AUDAT is the sale order date. So let's bind it out. Here it is. Now our sale order date is being ready. Sale order date. Now just again to go to the insert menu and select the text field. Now again bind it to the another required data variable, like I selected user created by name, created by field. Yes, here it is. The label which has been fixed by SAP will be automatically pulled from the from the data element. But if you want to change it, you can also change it by double click on the label. So till now I just inserted the two header values. You can also add your required fields as per your requirement. I just make it feasible. Here it is. So now we have three subform. One has been created at the master page and the two has been created in the body page. Here it is. So now we have to print the item detail, which are item number or material number or material description or quantity of the sale order of that item, and the amount of and the price or the amount of that sale order item. So let's create another subform. Click on the page and then right click and then insert subform. Here it is. We can write its name as document, DETALS, detail, and we have to insert the text, and now we write it the document detailed or header detail or item detail. Item details. Here we have inserted a text and name it item details. Also we can align it accordingly. We can make its bold like as per our requirement, or we can change its font like this. We have to increase it. Just increase the font, header detail and item details. And now we can also change its the font also. Finally we have to insert a new subform which will have the detail of items. Now just right click on the page and then select insert subform. Now the most important point at this stage is that the values, as we know, the number of items cannot be fixed and can be of any number of any type of data or any number of records we can have on our sale order. So we cannot fix a particular size to this subform. So we need to make it flexible. If the number of item cater all the space of this page, the remaining item will be automatically shift to the next page. So for the availability of this property, we have to change the property of this subform to the like this. You have to go to the sub properties of the subform, and then change the content property to float, because all our data flowed from one page to another page. That is why it's named as float. And another important is allow page break within content. It's mean the page break will also be inserted when it will be needed. You can also control the flow of direction, top to bottom, western text, and right to left. So this is the thing which you have to fix into your mind, that the property of subform is most important for designing the layout of any Adobe form. So let's rename it doc detail 2, and now we have to insert three fields like item name, or item quantity, or item amount, as we have discussed earlier. For this we have to perform some steps, and we have to just save this layout till now, and go back to the context of the Adobe form. Here we know that we have a LVBAP table type and LVBAK also table type, but they both have the LVBAK we are using for the header data, and LVBAP we can use for the detailed information of sale order. So for the addition of detail item, we just have to go to the data explorer tab, data view. In this view we have all the required fields. We can select, we can drag and drop to our subform. Like I have select the Matner, and then I select the material description and the quantity. Is called target quantity. So we just inserted three fields. You can also arrange according to your requirement. You can easily insert each and every field by just drag and drop to the subform. One more important point that I have to make clear here, that if the availability of all the fields here are dependent on the context of on the status of that field in the context menu. Like for example, we are now just close it out. For example, if we don't want to move the value, the field to the Adobe form from context, and if we don't want to display it, we just have to click on that field and then select the deactivate. So then it will not be displayed on the layout. Just check it out. Here now it's not showing at this point after Metner. So if we deactivate the field in the context, the remaining field which are active will be displayed in this list, and we can use as per our requirement. So for the sake of summarize our video, we have just learned that how we can manage the subform and how we can manage the text fields or the fields which have values in the header detail section or in the item detail section. We all just created the things, and we don't need to do anything else. We just create our subform, and we just populate the fields and bind it by using the object window. Hope you learned something new from this video. If you like this video, do click on the like button, and if you are new to my channel, do subscribe it for getting more informative videos in future. Till let's meet into another new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.